Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, I'll show you here. We got an Ezgo golf cart. Customer said the headlights don't work on it. It's a factory 6-seater. Hey, girl. It's a factory 6-seater, so it has the factory fuse block on it. Let me show you what it's doing. All right, so right now, if you turn the lights on, lights are on the key switch. The headlights don't work. Now, on a factory cart, all your fuses are there. That's for your blue and white, your headlights, orange is your horn, and the red is your brake lights. So what I'm gonna do, a little black lead on the main negative like this. My red lead, I'm gonna touch the main battery side. You see I have, let's see, okay, here, make sure your voltage. Main positive, nope, right there. Main positive, I have no connection, good enough. All right, main battery I got. Let me shoot right here. Oh, wrong thing, no wonder. All right. Battery voltage, go to this side here, see that same thing. On the fuse there, 12. On the fuse here, 12. Now this is my fuse here for my lights. You can see there, I have no voltage. Yeah, so that tells me the fuse is bad. Now let's test another fuse under it just to make sure. That's battery voltage. Here I have no battery voltage, so the fuse is bad. What you could do is unplug this, pull the fuse out, and just touch it to, and just stick it in the side here. Stick it on it like that. Get a good connection on it. Make sure I get a good connection. See, I have lights now. So these are bad for burning up the fuse holder. So what I could do, my blue wire, and just move it down one fuse until we get a fuse for it. You see, simple as that, man. All right, man, stay tuned. Hey, hey, hey.